The overall purpose of this interface is to study the effect of bodily signal augmentation on gaining bodily awareness. This is accomplished by designing a generic closed-loop interface that can be used with different wearable technologies on different experimental setups and can be applied on different populations. In this work, we present a generic interface to sample interfaces, their applications, and their effect on the human system. The first step of the design is the use of various wearable technologies that allow the recording of signals that come from different levels of the nervous system. The second step is the use of lab streaming layer to achieve synchronized recording and real-time streaming of the signals. On the third step, the stream data are pulled by a code developed in the language of our preference, where the real-time analysis and feature extraction of the selected signal is taking place. Hence, on the fourth step, the participants are experiencing the sensory augmentation of extracted features, such as the auditory mapping of the heart rhythm to the tempo of the song, or the visual representation of their emotions. Finally, by continuously augmenting in real time the bodily information, we close the loop of the unfolding interaction between the interface and the participant. Investigations on how the brain may control our bodies have generated the design of brain-machine interfaces, which harness the nervous system signals to control an external device such as an exoskeleton or a robotic arm. We here present closed-loop interfaces, which harness the signals of the nervous system and augment them using a sensory modality to assist participants in gaining control over their bodies.